Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing to verify your Amazon Flex driver account and start delivering packages, follow these detailed step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Amazon Flex app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create your driver account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Step 2. Log in to your Amazon Flex account using your credentials and navigate to the Account Setup section where you'll begin the verification process. Step 3. Provide your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and current residential address. This information is required for background check purposes. Step 4. Upload a photo of your valid driver's license. Ensure the license is current, the photo is clear, and all information is readable. Amazon Flex requires a valid driver's license for all delivery partners. Step 5. Provide your vehicle information, including the make, model, year, license plate number, and current insurance information. Your vehicle must meet Amazon Flex requirements. Step 6. Upload proof of auto insurance showing current coverage that meets or exceeds Amazon Flex's minimum requirements. The insurance must be in your name and cover the vehicle you'll use. Step 7. Consent to a background check by agreeing to Amazon Flex's terms. The background check reviews your driving record and criminal history to ensure safety standards. Step 8. Complete tax information by providing your social security number or tax ID and filling out the required tax forms for independent contractor status. Step 9. Set up direct deposit by entering your bank account and routing numbers where you want Amazon Flex to transfer your delivery earnings. Step 10. Wait for Amazon Flex to process your application and background check, which typically takes 2 to 5 business days. You'll receive email updates about your verification status and next steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.